Hello guys, welcome to our channel and so nice to meet you right here. Right now we are in Shanghai, the 12th International Wire Exhibition. And right here we are in our company's expos and so glad to meet you guys right here. And we are a big company that has developed in this industry for over 30 years. We produce and offer different CCR equipment from rod to plate and to our other type of industries that will be used for production lines. And we can cover for different size of diameters and materials from zinc, rod, and copper, and also aluminum. Right here we can do many different types of products, all based on your needs. And we can do the details information later to yourself. Right there we have a product that could be seen as a quick reference. Let's have a look. Here we are. These are products we have been made from our equipment. And we have a rod, we have ingot, and also we have a lot of different sizes we can produce by our customers' needs. And we have coppers and aluminum. Also the zinc. Zinc is right here. We haven't even bring it here, but it's okay. You can have a look about these products. These are all raw materials. Will be melted by our machines and go to a different size of type. So we have a raw material from there and to the different types of products. As you can see, we have also like a discs that we can use in different type of products, and also they will be used like a cooler and some cover for the lipsticks, and also for different industries equipment like this one. So based on your needs, we can offer the equipment and the products all by yourself. You can provide the drawings, provide the requirements to us, and see how it goes.